Hey guys, welcome back to another episode of Cooking Way Through Life with me, Chef Drake. I'm here today to talk about something that most of us do, which is buying store-bought products, but we do not want them to taste like store-bought products. So one of the easiest ones is barbecue sauce. Now, I love making my own barbecue sauce. Actually, I started making my own barbecue sauce when I was a kid. My Aunt Vernell used to make this barbecue sauce, and I really loved it because she had pieces of onions in it, and I've always loved onions as a kid. And I just remember going to McDonald's and things. It didn't have any texture. It was just a solid barbecue sauce, and I was just like, huh, why can't I do that? So that actually got me in the mood of making sauces. So shout out to my Aunt Vernell, RIP, love you. And I feel like a lot of us will need to go to the store to buy things. Like, don't get it twisted. Just as a chef, we don't make everything from scratch at home. I mean, not me. I can't speak for everybody, but I do not make everything from scratch at home. I travel way too much anyway to do that. But if you do want to pick up something very simple, it's just sometimes I want to taste the same way when you buy it. Because unfortunately, a lot of these bottled up barbecue sauces are made in bulk. They have a lot of sugar. They don't have a lot of flavor. So we can actually offset that. And today, if I have a barbecue sauce here, a couple things, I have 3 things here that can help you kind of change that up. And then I'm going to talk about a 4th one as well. The first one is the acidity. Now, if you're from America, you're from the South or anywhere where barbecue is prominent, you know that barbecue is very different from region. And as far as how it tastes is your own personal preference. But for me, for instance, I'm from Georgia. So we use a little bit more acid and vinegar in our barbecue sauces. So anytime I buy a store-bought barbecue sauce and I'm going to zhuzh it up, make it a little better for my own personal flavors, I add a little bit more acid. So I add a little bit more vinegar here. So vinegar is always one to go. If you're from the Carolinas or you know that you do a lot of mustard, you can replace it out with the mustard instead of the vinegar. The second one, which a lot of people forget, is actually going to be any fresh herbs. So like I love cilantro. If you like a little bit of thyme, or especially thyme, cilantro, rosemary, these things really, really brighten up the flavor of your store-bought sauce because it's giving it freshness. And that's something that the store-bought sauce usually does not have. So a little bit of fresh herbs goes a long way. Other one is, I talked about it, texture. I like chopping up some onions, not pulverize them in the food processor or the stand mixer, having some onions in there. I saute them all first, add the store-bought barbecue sauce, add a little bit of the vinegar, put in some of my chopped up cilantro here. And that way it gives it the freshness and the flavor and the really intensity of the onions, but also have some texture going on. And then last but not least, I don't have it up here, but you all have it in your cabinets, whatever seasonings that you want. That's why I didn't even bring it up, because I want you to just imagine what you like. If you like cumin, you like a little bit more cayenne pepper, you want a little bit of spicy. This one is honey flavor, so I can add more spice to balance it out. Adding your seasonings, taste as you go, and it's just a quick and easy way to take store-bought sauce to the next level to your own personal preference. Remember, you're the one eating it, so make sure that you like it. And ultimately, this helps out a lot because making barbecue sauce at home is actually very fast and quick. Most of these things that I have back here, plus depending on where you're starting with, so ketchup, mustard, however your barbecue sauce base is. But like I said, sometimes we just don't have all of the items. So if you're just like, I'm in a hurry, buy the sauce, zhuzh it up. It takes like less than 5 minutes, literally. All right, guys, I hope you enjoyed that tip or trick. And don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment. Keep coming back. Let me know what you think. Thank you, guys.
Thank you for watching today's episode. I hope you enjoyed it and maybe even learned something. You know what to do next. Please hit those like, share, and subscribe buttons below and have a great day.